Have you ever looked at the mirror and you realizing you are not enough? You are not strong enough, not good enough, and not confident enough, and even not looking good enough. If yes, then you are not alone. Being a teenager is too much confusing. One day we feel like we are the complete, and the other next day we feel like we are the completely lost. And in this chaos, we forget the one most important things: how to love ourselves. In this video, we don't talk about the self love that you see on a social media. We talk about the self love that actually changes your life. And in this video, we learn the 6 point from the book. This book, Good Vibe, Good Life. I recently read this book and I personally love that book because it's too the understanding of this language is too much perfect. I understand the very perfectly what it's actually, and I learn a lot from this book. And I don't complete that the book. I don't read the total book. मतलब complete नहीं मैंने किया इस book को, but half ही है. But I learn some points from this, and it's about the self love. So in this video we gonna talk about the self love. First point is that your mind is powerful. Everything started with your thought. If you are keep telling yourself you are not strong enough, you are the fail, so your mind turn the thought into the reality. And the one most important thing you have to understand, your thought create your reality. If you are keep telling yourself a negative words, then it's turn into the reality. So keep yourself protect from the negative word. 10 point we learn from this book is self-love is not selfish. Some people think loving yourself is the wrong thing, and it is the ego or attitude, but it is not. It is the wrong thing they think. Loving yourself, take care of yourself, and prioritizing yourself is also the way you treat yourself. It's actually the matter. Loving yourself is not the selfishness, and it is the necessary. And in some situation, the most useful thing you can do is prioritizing yourself. Make yourself a priority is also the hardest things a person can do. And the third part is that comparison kill your happiness. One day you are scrolling on social media and you are noticing everyone getting better than you, getting better life, better at relationship, and better at everything. But you know what? It is not the reality. It is the filtered and edited part of their life. वो जो होता है वो एक स्पेशल पोर्शन होता है जो इंसान आपको दिखाना चाहता है. वो स्पेशल पोर्शन होता है जो एक्चुअल में वो फिल्टर्ड होता है. इट्स नॉट द ट्रूथ. अगर 10 चीज़ें गलत हो रही हैं तो उसमें से वो इंसान एक फ़िल्टर चीज़ आपको दिखा रहा है, तो बाकी की वो जो 10 चीज़ें गलत हुई हैं वो नहीं दिख रहा है. तो इट डजंट मेक एनी काइंड ऑफ सेंस कि सीइंग द पीपल ऑन अ सोशल मीडिया दे आर हैप्पी, इट्स एक्चुअली मीन दे आर हैप्पी. वो आपको वही चीज़ दिखाना चाह रहा है कि जो देखने लायक हो, और जो बाकी चीज़ें नहीं हैं देखने लायक वो नहीं दिखा रहा है. इट डज नॉट मेक एनी काइंड ऑफ सेंस कि एवरीथिंग इज़ गेट परफेक्ट. ना, इट्स नॉट. एंड you at last you have to understand that what you see is not the reality. And the 5th point from this book is let go what you can't control. You can't control everything, and you have to understand this line. You can't control everything. You can't control the person, a situation, a timing, and the outcome. But what you can control is how you react at this situation. आप उस समय कैसा बिहेव कर रहे हैं, इट्स एक्चुअली द मैटर द मोस्ट. सिचुएशन जितना बड़ा है, इट डजंट मेक एनी काइंड्स ऑफ सेंस. द मेक सेंस हाउ यू perceive that situation and how you react that. And you know what, sometimes the one of the best things you can do is letting go. It's this small thing to say. कहने के लिए छोटी बातें हो सकती हैं, but actually doing the letting go to someone is really the difficult things a person can do. Letting go the things that you actually want, it's not the simple thing to do. Next point from this video is be grateful for what you have. We generally focus on the things that we don't have. We don't focus on the things that we actually have: a house, a food, a good friend, a family, and a person. But we focus on the things that we don't have. You know what? Gratitude changes a person's life, mind, and everything. Once you start gratitude for the things that you have, your life will change. The more you appreciate your life, the more peaceful your life. The seventh point from this video is your past can't define you. Maybe in your past you do some mistakes, and maybe you fail, and maybe things can't go in your favor, but it's okay. That's not your identity. Your past is a lesson, not your future. You can always restart. Your past is a lesson, not your future. And the one thing I want to say, that you can start again and again. So the final message from this video, or we can say that the conclusion of this video, is you are enough. You are enough. And you don't need to prove everyone. You don't need to be the perfect. You don't need to be liked by everyone, and you don't need to appreciate everything that you don't like. Do what you want, and you know what, at the end of the day, it's always you. One thing I also want to say, that at last it's always you versus you. And be gentle toward yourself. Taking care of your own self is also the toughest things a person can do. And be patient with your own self, and never give up on your own self. So make sure you don't give up on your own self, and always be kind toward your own self, because it's always